Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a replacement purchase order from a purchase return order. So you go to Terminal option, go to Purchase Return Order, and you create a new one. And let's say you want to choose a vendor, and you say you want to choose that one, for example. So you're selecting which item you want to return. Let's say Ethan desks, and the amount you put in minus because you return it back, because you want to create a replacement purchase order or from purchase return or from a purchase return order. So if you put that, it will auto populate everything, and then you go to prepare, move navigate lines, and it says you want to do the order. So it says option order or invoice to document type, return order and credit memo. Yes, we're going to do that, and that's okay. You want to see the created, you want to view the created document. If you want to do that, you can do that, and that's the order number. If you don't want to do it, press no, and it's all done. It's all removed from there. Similarly, you can do it for sales return orders. Let's say you create a new one, and you want to return it to, let's say for example, school fonts, and you put the quantity, and let's do that, and minus, say -2, and then go to prepare, remove navigate lines, and press OK. You want to see that? No, you don't want to see that, and let's go from there then. So this is the scenario when you may agree with your vendor or customer that they compensate you or you compensate the customer for a purchase or sales item by replacing the item, or the replacement item can be the same or it can be different. So the situation could occur if the vendor or customers mistakenly you got the item shipped for you to you as a wrong item, or you shipped to the customer as a wrong item. So thanks for watching.